Hello friends and kids, this is Gayan Buddhika from British English Academy, Kirillawala, Kadawatha. Today I am delighted to inform you that in this video I am bringing you the fourth episode of my kids spoken English videos. So in this video, today I am going to talk about another sacred and important Buddhist temple in Sri Lanka, the Kelaniya Temple. The Kelaniya Temple is a spiritual place of worship. In the 6th century BC, the Buddha arrived in Sri Lanka on his third and final visit. At the invitation of Maniyakkitha, a Naga king, he visited Kandy and preached the Dhamma seated on a gem-studded throne. The throne is said to be enshrined within the Dagaba at the temple premises, designed in the shape of a heap of paddy. Since then, Buddhists have regarded Kelaniya as a hallowed sacred ground. It is also significant for its art and architecture. If you wish to discover the culture and traditions of Sri Lanka, Kelaniya is an ideal learning place. It also has elements of the Polonnaruwa and the Kandyan eras, architectural structures and paintings. Throughout its history, the Kelaniya temple has been destroyed, renovated, neglected and rediscovered once again. The temple has experienced periods of turbulence from foreign invaders to the Portuguese, the Dutch and the British. And yet, devout Buddhist kings from centuries ago to the modern day philanthropists have helped the Kelaniya temple to overcome adversities and remain strong. In 1767, King Keerthi Rajasinghe from Kandy renovated the temple and neglected it since the arrival of the Dutch. The temple experienced a period of tranquility. Before it again succumbed to disrepair. Lady Helena Vijayawardena took initiatives to restore the temple to its former glory in 1927. Periods of destruction have erased its original structures. What we observe today can be traced back to the Kandyan era and the early 20th century. The temple is also famous for its image of reclining Lord Buddha, reclining Gautama Buddha, and the 18th and 20th century paintings of the renowned Sri Lankan artist Soleus Mendis, which depicts some important events of the life of the Gautama Buddha and the history of Buddhism in Sri Lanka, and some important events in Jataka stories. The temple is also this is the place, this is the venue. The Kelaniya temple is the venue for the annual Drutumaha Perahera in January. A visit to the Kelaniya temple can be a spiritual experience. It is also ideal to discover intricate temple art and architecture of Sri Lanka. So my dear friends and kids, this is the end of today's video. I hope and I believe that you have learned something important and educative from this video. After the video, there is something important to tell you. If you are interested in earning money online or earning money on internet, in the description I have placed some links. So click on those links and I think you will be able to get something important from those links. If you like the video, smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel if you haven't subscribed it yet. So until I come to you another video, another educative and important video, for today I may take your leave. Thank you.